Ideal in tight spots, our PS13 pen sander, designed for machining recesses and small surfaces in extremely confined spaces. Despite being only the size of a fountain pen, a perfect finish can still be achieved in environments of this sort with the PS13 pen sander. The secret of this device is the sanding mechanism. In contrast to other devices which can be used in places where abundant space is available, the sanding action here is linear rather than rotary. The sanding element therefore requires less space, a feature which is particularly important in narrow slots and corners. And a lot of thought has been put into ensuring that the PS13 can be effectively guided. For example, we've designed a compact housing from plastic which sits well in the hand, and with the aid of two depressions in the forward pen grip area, enables comfortable and non-fatiguing guidance with a simultaneously sensitive application of pressure. The device comes with 4 sanding elements with a straight shaft and another 4 with an angled shaft. They enable easy adaptation of the device to suit every conceivable spatial condition. Changing is really simple. Turn the forward housing ring through 90 degrees and remove the sanding element. The new sanding element is then inserted and locked in position by turning the housing ring back again. That's it. Finished. Sandpaper is provided in sheets with grit sizes 180, 240 and 400. Shapes for each sanding element are pre-punched 5 times here. But don't worry, because your sanding enjoyment is not over when these are used up, replacement sheets are available in packing units of 3 pieces each. Simply replace them and you're ready to continue. A power supply unit is required for working, as the pen sander is a 12-volt device. Please ensure that the selected power supply unit is powerful enough. We therefore recommend our Proxxon power supply units from a current strength of 2 amps onwards. These high-performance units ensure that power is available in abundance. Proxxon. Tools with character.